We're so excited to show you some amazing beauty hacks by Farah Pro Makeup. First one up, lining your lips with floss. Yes, it's possible and it works wonders. Just apply some liquid lipstick on the floss and then press it on the edge of the lips to line. Apply your liquid lipstick of choice on top for a beautiful lip look. Beautiful! For this one, we're showing you how to wing your liner effortlessly. All you need to do is mark some dots on the lid and outer corner of the eye. After making the marks, connect the lines to create an upside-down triangle along the upper lash line. Carefully make the line and fill it in for the first half of the wing. Next, create another triangle, this time the longer tip on the outside to create the wing. There you go, a flawless wing done in a quick and easy way. We're working on eyebrows next. First,